To rename a sheet using double-click, just double-click the sheet tab name at the bottom, type the new name, and press Enter. To copy a sheet using the Control method, hold down Control, then click and drag the sheet tab to a new position. Release the mouse first, then release Control. A duplicate of the sheet will be created. To move a sheet using the mouse, click and hold the sheet tab, then drag it left or right to your desired position among the other sheet tabs. Release the mouse to drop it in place. To delete a sheet in Excel, right-click the sheet tab at the bottom and choose Delete. Confirm the prompt if it appears. That's it. To color a sheet tab in Excel, right-click the sheet name, select Tab Color, and choose a color. You can color multiple sheets with different colors to categorize data, highlight important sheets, or organize large workbooks. This makes navigation easier, helps quickly locate key information, and visually separate sections, which is especially useful when managing huge datasets or complex projects. Using colors strategically can save time and improve workflow efficiency.